Hi dear students of standard 7th. As we have started chapter number 6 indices and we have seen basic things of indices. You can watch previous video to learn indices. Now we are going to start practice set 26. In practice set 26 question number 1 is complete the table below. Here number in indices form given. Then it is asked to write base. It is asked to write index. It is asked to write number in multiplication form and then value of that. So we will see it now. So here it is first question from practice set 26. Here first example is 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 means what is the base here? 3 is base. So you can write here 3. What is index? Index is 4. So you can write index here 4. And how we can write it in multiplication form? We have to multiply this 3. How many times? 4 times. So here you can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And next column is value. So there you will write multiplication of this. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. And 27 3s are 81. So here we can write 81. Same way second one is 16 raised to 3. So second example 16 raised to 3. So here base is 16, index is 3 and we can write it in multiplication form. How many times 16 we will multiply? 3 times. So 16 into 16 into 16. So multiplication of that. So 16 16s are 256. And if we will multiply 256 by this 16, then we will get 4096. So that we will write in next column. 4096. Here it is third example. Here the number in index form is not given. But here base is given. What is the base? It is given negative x. And index is also given. It is 2. So how we can write that number in index form? We can write it negative 8 raised to 2. So here in multiplication form what will be there? Negative 8 into negative 8. Now we will multiply that. 8 8s are 64. And here negative negative, it will be positive. So answer will be positive 64. So here you can write positive 64. Here in fourth example, these 3 columns are empty. Only here it is given 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7. So what will be the base here? Base will be 3 upon 7. So here we can write 3 upon 7. Raised to how many? How many times it is multiplied? 4 times. So here we can write raised to 4. So in the base column we can write 3 upon 7 and here we can write 4. And last column in value column, here we can write multiplication of this. Now you know already multiplication you have learned in previous chapter. We have to multiply numerators and then we have to multiply denominators. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. So numerator will be 81. Now here denominator 7 7s are 49. 49 7s are 343 and 343 7s are 2401. So already it is given in your textbook in last column that we will write it here, that is 81 upon 2401. Now last one, it is fifth one, negative 13 raised to 4. So here you can write negative 13 raised to 4. So base is negative 13. So you can write here negative 13 raised to 4. So index is 4. Here you can write how many times we will multiply this negative 13? 4 times. So negative 13 like this 4 times. Now we will multiply that. 13 into 13 into 13 into 13. So it is 28,500 61. Now here we will think about signs. Minus minus it will be plus. Again plus minus it will be minus. And minus minus it will be plus. So it is positive number. Now we will see question number 2. Find the value. First example 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 means we will multiply this 2 how many times? 10 times into 2. So 10 times we have multiplied these 2. So we will see multiplication. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 2s are 64. 64 2s are 128. So 128 2s are 256. 256 2s are 512. And last 512 2s are 1024. So here you can write 1024. So value of this 2 raised to 10 is 1024. So you can write it in 2-3 steps also. Means if we will multiply these 2-3 numbers one time and remaining as it is you will write, and then multiply, again multiply, like that 2-3 steps also you can extend. Otherwise like this directly multiplication you can do on another paper and then you can write here. Okay. Second one is 5 raised to 3. So we will write it multiplication form. Now we can multiply it. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. So here you can write 125. So next example is negative 7 raised to 4. So we will multiply it 4 times. Negative 7 into negative 7 into negative 7 into negative 7. Now we will multiply it and think about sign. Multiplication of it is 2401. Already in previous example denominator was negative 7 or 7 it was. So that time we have seen multiplication. It is 2401. Now I told you minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus again plus. So sign will be positive. Otherwise about sign how you will remember, if this index is even number then you can give plus sign, and if index is odd number then you can give minus sign. Okay. Same way here fourth example also, negative 6 into negative 6 into negative 6, 3 times you will multiply and write multiplication, but answer will have minus sign. So multiplication is 216 and answer will have minus sign. So in previous example I told you, if this index is odd number you have to give minus sign to the answer. How it happens? Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Same way you can solve this fifth example. Now see this sixth one. Here 8 raised to 1 is there. So 8 raised to 1 means how many times we will multiply this 8? Yes, one time. One time means answer will be 8 only. 8 ones are, otherwise 8 only we can write, because we will multiply it only one time. One time is itself, the number itself. So it is 8. So next one is 7th, that is 4 upon 5 raised to 3. Now this 4 upon 5 fraction we will multiply how many times? 3 times. Now we will multiply numerators and then denominators. So numerators are 4 into 4 into 4. So its multiplication, 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64 upon 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 64 upon 125 is our answer. Eighth one is negative 1 upon 2 raised to 4. So we will multiply it how many times? Here index is 4. So how many times we will multiply? 4 times. Now here only numerators are 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is always 1. So we can write here 1. Now downside here denominators 2, 2, 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So it is 1 upon 16. And what about sign now? As I told you, if index is even number, we have to give positive sign to the answer. So it is even. 4 is even number. And how it is that also I told you. Negative, negative, positive. Positive, negative, negative. Again negative, negative, it will be positive. So it is positive 1 upon 16. So how this indices chapter? It is very simple. Now in next video we will see rules of indices. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.